Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to SA Accounting Academy. Here's a short clip on one of our previous webinars. I hope that you really do enjoy it.
Good morning, everybody. A very good morning to you all who have joined early and those who have just arrived. I welcome you all to the Advanced Bookkeepers, Management, Accounting, and Cashflow. Now, this is not about the webinar. This is about me now. That's me there. My name is Thabo Malema. I am a presenter for this webinar today, Advanced Bookkeepers, Management, Accounting, and Cashflow. I'm a director for a tax and accounting angel. This is an accounting firm in Polokwane. I'm a financial accountant, an experienced entrepreneur. I think this year I will be doing something like 18 years in business. I really come into contact with the financials of institutions from very early in my life, but in the NPO sector. Then from NPO sector, straight into business. Okay, I've done the NPOs both in South Africa and abroad. Let's look at what our course will focus on today. What you see, thank you for the feedback that the sound is perfect. I like it. We're going to have a very interesting session together today. These are our learning objectives. By the end of this webinar, excuse me, you will be understanding the importance of management, accounting, and cash flow in every business survival. This should be relevant because a lot of businesses today are in a survival mode because of the external environment over which you and I do not have control. Knowing which management accounting techniques can be used effectively during the slum economy. Understand how to manage overheads. Oh, is sound okay? Oh, okay, I see. Understand how to manage overheads because this is a nightmare for most of the organizations. Most management accountants, just when you think you've got a growth strategy, the accompanying twin is there, the overhead costs. They eat into the strategy that you had planned. Understand why it is important to prepare regular management accounting reports. Now, if there are accountants who are listening here today, this one, you know, almost always, the client walks into their practice and all they want is for you to assist them with compliance so that they can submit either to the bank or they want to submit to SARS. But there's no management account. Maybe they want to purchase a property and this is a requirement and there's no management account reports, let alone any source documents. We are going to focus so that in future we are able to advise our clients on the use of the regular management accounting reports. Know how to prepare useful management accounting reports. Listen, I don't know about where you are, but I think here where I am, there's a cold front passing. It's really chilly. Let's proceed. Our content will be the difference between management accounting and financial accounting. Then we are going to move on to explaining management accounting. We are also going to focus on costing and budgeting. Very interesting slides prepared for you there. We are also going to focus on practical budgeting techniques. The very important cash flow forecasting is part of our content today. We're also going to focus on the concept cost and controlling costs. Our content also today shall include preparation of regular management accounting report. Okay. I hope you are so far okay. I'm about to take the very first slide. Our first slide is this one, management accounting versus financial accounting. What's the difference between the two? If you want to differentiate the two, you may look at the three main elements: the audience, the focus, and the frequency also. In management accounting, the management reports are almost, I said almost, exclusively prepared for managers, for the executives, for the employees, and for the unions. The unions are not really the internal audience, but they are a very important stakeholder. Because we are talking about management accounting in the slum economy, you are going to see that in our South African business setup, you're going to see that union play a very important role in the economic life of any entity. And as the management of the entity, you may not be able to negotiate effectively with them without really showing them how the business is performing. And that points to management accounts. The focus of the management accounts is future orientation. The managers need information. It can be financial information, it can be non-financial information at their disposal to be able to forecast the future move or what to do next. The management accounts should be relevant to what is required. If the management of the company requires to audit the skills level of the employee, that kind of a report should come out relevant, consistent with what is required to enable the management to produce its desirable decision. The management accounts must be timely. As the management, from time to time, you meet with different stakeholders, and you really need the information when you need it at that time for that particular purpose for which you need it. The management reports should be detailed enough, consistent with what is required. When you are submitting finances, the management reports, mostly you find most institutions, they will draft a template that you need to adhere to.
I hope that you enjoyed that video. For more of our webinar videos, go to www.accountingacademy.co.za. Thank you and have a lovely day.